have some big news.
We do indeed.
So we've been doing a lot of work at the local level, and I personally have met a lot of fascinating people, including yourself, and
vice versa. Yeah.
And so we recognize that all these different groups and individuals were working towards the same cause, and that's to protect and preserve Sussex County.
Yep.
And so Jane had the brilliant idea that we come up with a coalition. So
Jill said that we were working with these various groups, and we were aware that although some were small community groups, very small, just a relatively few people, some were local chapters of state and national groups, some were state-based groups, but anyhow, they were all working toward, as you said, the same goal, but not working together particularly. So the idea I had was, let's get a coalition of all these groups and see that if by combining our efforts from time to time, that we could really push some of these initiatives forward and get some things done.
Right.
That it's hard for the groups working individually to do. So we've
power
been meeting.
in numbers.
Yes. Power in numbers. Power in numbers. People power always outweighs money power or any other kind of power if you get enough people active and working. So you got to join us. We're called
Sussex Preservation Coalition.
Yes. And we will be at the Lewis Farmers Market on Saturdays, so you can come and actually meet us there. We're working on our website. It should be up very soon.
Hey, maybe we could interview some people and have them as part of our coffee chat.
That would be awesome.
So come out to the farmers market in Lewis,
and we will interview you, and you'll be part of our coffee chat.
Yeah,
perfect,
yeah.
Great idea.
I know.
This is how we work. Just one idea, just boom. So we have a mission, which we've just basically stated, to increase the impact of all the groups working. The individual groups will continue as individual groups doing their own thing, but when those occasions occur that by working together we can really push it forward.
It's like an intellectual share.
Yeah.
A sharing of energy, getting everybody aligned.
Right. And then not duplicating efforts. So if the group over here is planning to do something the group over here is already doing, what we're going to try and do, obviously, is bring them together. So we're not just duplicating, but we're leveraging. That's the key word, right? So, and we have a lot of policy initiatives that we're going to be launching in the coming weeks and months, and some actual actions. We're not going to reveal those yet, but it'll be big fun stuff. Big stuff. And so look, we are all people who are worried and care about the consequences of overdevelopment and climate change. So deforestation, wetlands destruction,
right?
Destruction of natural habitat.
Yeah.
Inadequate infrastructure services, right? It leaves us all vulnerable to flooding, to not being able to get from point A to point B when we need to. And it means that the property that we've invested in, our homes that we live in, are in danger of being flooded and basically destroyed.
Yeah, I mean, after watching what happened with Ian, down in Fort Myers and other areas of the Gulf, Florida is a low-lying area. Delaware is the lowest state in the nation. So we also are vulnerable.
Very vulnerable.
And if something were to happen here, like happened down there, and we were only given 24 hours notice of evacuation, can't get out. To evacuate the Delmarva Peninsula up Route 1.
Not possible. It just turns into a parking lot. I mean, so we really are talking about saving lives here by trying to mitigate the damage already done and stop any further damage from being done.
Right.
So join us. Join the coalition. As I said, we'll have our webpage up soon. We'll be sure and announce that in our next coffee chat. In the meanwhile, if you want to ask questions, you can send an email to spcde.com. Did I do that right? No, I did it wrong. Sorry, scratch that. spcde@gmail.com. And if you send an email, we will respond with whatever information we can send you at that time. And we're eager to have you join us. We have monthly meetings, and we'd love to have you join us there, or at any other event that you want to participate in, or just add your name to our growing list of people who are supporting the mission.
Our 3 words are education, advocacy, and policy. So if any of those 3 words fit your agenda, personality, traits, talents, please join us.
Yep.
Come see us at the Lewis Farmers Market.
Yep. We'll be there.
We'll both be there.
We will both be there. And there'll be others there you can meet and talk to. And we'll have literature there to hand out, and even some other little goodies there for you to take.
A little contest.
A little contest to see how much you know about Sussex County and what's going on.
Giveaways.
So do join us at the farmers market. But if you can't be there, do let us know that you're interested. Again, I'll try and repeat that. It's spcde@gmail.com.
Lewis Farmers Market, Saturdays, 9 to noon, Shields parking lot.
See you there.